What's up, everyone? This is Miss Peer Editor, and welcome back to my professional development series. Today, I'm excited to show you how to write a professional bio or biography that is sure to impress. So let's get started. So, what is a professional bio? It's a short paragraph that describes your career or education overall. And this bio may appear in publications such as academic journals, news articles, social media, especially LinkedIn, an organization's website, blogs, event agendas or programs, or even emails. So it's really important that you create a consistent professional bio that conveys your personal brand in an effective manner. Professional bios also have distinct writing styles. They should be written in the third person. They should include only a few sentences, and professional bios also usually have varying sentence structures so that the bio overall doesn't seem repetitive. So, what is the structure of the professional bio? First off, you'll start by describing your current title and the institution or organization you belong to. And then you have the meat of the bio, or the sentences that follow your very first sentence. And honestly, you have a lot of freedom when writing the meat of your bio. You can first include an overview of your current role. You can talk about your education, any leadership positions you may have, whether that's in college organizations or clubs, for example, or maybe you're on the board of a nonprofit. All of those would be really unique experiences to include in your bio. You can talk about former jobs and internships, areas of expertise, and when you're talking about those areas, you want to make sure that you are as specific as possible. So don't just say that you are an expert in STEM. Say that you are an expert in biomedical engineering with a focus on nanotechnology, or whatever it is that you tend to focus on in your work. You can discuss projects such as papers, reports, artwork, apps that you've created, etc. And also discuss extracurriculars such as clubs or volunteering. And lastly, awards, scholarships, and accomplishments. Your professional bio is your time to brag, so don't be afraid to include as much as you can. And for the conclusion of your bio, I personally like including personal details such as hobbies, family members, pets, etc., because this tends to lighten the mood a little bit, show who you are outside of work. You don't have to include it if you feel that it's not appropriate, so it's really up to you. Here's an example of a professional bio that I wrote for a hypothetical person. Let's read it over. Sam Wilson is a graphic designer at the Supernova Art Studio and a digital design fellow at the Kidd Institute for Innovation. In 2019, Sam earned his BA in Graphic Arts and Media at Roxbury University, where he completed an honors thesis on the evolution of the comic book industry during the dot-com bubble. After Sam went viral online in 2020 for reimagining iconic movie posters on his website, publications including Newsweek and USA Today showcased his work on their digital platforms. A self-taught calligrapher and animator, Sam is known for creating marketing materials that combine multiple forms of media and artistry. When he is not drawing and designing, he is volunteering for the Nature Knows Foundation and running to prepare for upcoming marathons in his state. So the first sentence of this bio includes Sam's title and the current institution that he's a part of. And the next sentence immediately goes into his education. And this is appropriate because it seems that Sam is a recent graduate from his university. And within the same sentence, we've actually highlighted a specific project that Sam worked on in his undergraduate career, which was his honors thesis. And note that this bio doesn't just say that he completed an honors thesis, but it actually delves into what the topic of his thesis was, and it's a very unique topic, so that also piques the reader's interest. And this third sentence highlights a key accomplishment. So even though Sam didn't necessarily win a particular award for reimagining iconic movie posters, he still got a lot of recognition online. So that's something that you can definitely highlight in your professional bio. The next sentence showcases Sam's area of expertise, which is marketing and digital media overall. And the very last sentence includes those personal details that I was talking about earlier. And as you can see, this shows that Sam is a multifaceted person who has many interests outside of his career as well. In the comments below, feel free to write your own professional bio, and I'll try to give you feedback as soon as possible. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to receive notifications, and stay tuned for another professional development tutorial. I'll see you next time.